Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be talking about the future direction that I want my channel to head in, and I'll be making a short announcement. So, now that I've finished school for the year and I've had some time to think about what direction I want my channel to head in, I have a couple things to address, and this will be as follows. So the plans for my channel are that in the future I want to host a number of topics ranging from tech reviews, tech giant business news, and ethical topics in the technological industry, from recommender systems to facial recognition. I will also be continuing my series on getting people into computer science and code tutorials. I really hope that this channel encompasses all my interests in the world of computer science and technology, and that these ideas reflect that. I also want this channel to be a hub for any UK A-level student planning on studying computer science at university. From previous experience, I found that there's not a lot of content available to help students prepare for a computer science degree in the UK. So I want to push more content out there to help students feel more confident in their university application. So, if you're a student who's interested in studying computer science at university, or know someone who is, be sure to share the content with them and subscribe to be the first to see such content. Videos will include tips on making your personal statement stand out, what mini coding projects you should be working on, admissions tests, whether or not you need Maths A-level, and budgeting for tech setups such as laptops and monitors. I know that my videos have been far from consistent as of late, but this will change in the future. I plan on releasing a new video at least every other week, although I will try to post weekly. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on post notifications to be the first to see my latest videos. Above all, you may be wondering what happened to the game updates. Over time, I realized that this, especially as a sole developer, is a lot of work. Now that I've finished with exams, I'm beginning to focus more time on it, but this is something that is going to be more behind the scenes, with perhaps occasionally updates. But this will not be the focus on my channel from now on, and I'm not holding myself to this. I hope that you'll be able to join me as I re-embark on this YouTube journey. Feel free to comment any video ideas that you think will match the new aim of my channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll stay to watch future videos.